Expected to launch as a premium flagship, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is rumored to carry a price tag between $549 and $599, placing it well above its predecessor. This higher pricing is largely justified by Insta360's continued partnership with Leica, which is expected to play a major role once again. The Insta360 Leica collaboration, first established in 2020 and officially renewed in March 2025, strongly suggests that the Ace Pro 3 will feature Leica-tuned optics and refined color science aimed at professional-level image quality. Although Insta360 has not officially announced the Ace Pro 3, growing leaks and industry chatter indicate that it will succeed the Ace Pro 2, which launched in October 2024. The Ace Pro 2 stood out for its 8K video capability and Leica co-engineered lens. Rumored specifications for the Ace Pro 3 are ambitious. Leaks suggest a 1-inch, 50-megapixel Leica-tuned CMOS sensor, 8K video at 30 frames per second with HDR or log support, 4K at 120 frames per second in 10-bit color, and high frame rate 1080p slow motion. Additional expectations include improved flow state stabilization, smarter AI-powered editing tools, stronger low-light performance, longer battery life with fast charging, enhanced waterproofing, better onboard audio, and a durable modular design. If these rumors hold true, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 could redefine what a premium action camera looks like, justifying its higher price and setting a new benchmark for the industry, quickly becoming one of the most respected premium action cameras on the market. Even today, it remains highly competitive, especially after recent price drops to around $354, making it an excellent value for users who don't need the latest hardware. Initially, the Ace Pro 3 was expected to arrive in late 2025, following Insta360's typical release pattern. However, current indicators point to a delay, with the launch now likely pushed into mid to late 2026, possibly between Q2 and Q3. One key reason appears to be Insta360's strategy to extend the Ace Pro 2's lifecycle. Instead of rushing a replacement, the company introduced special editions like the Super Motocross Edition and new creator-focused bundles in late 2025, signaling a focus on accessories and market expansion rather than immediate hardware replacement. Competition in the action camera space also influences this timing. DJI's Osmo Action 6, released in November 2025, introduced a large 1x1.1-inch square sensor and a variable f2.0 to f4.0 aperture. However, despite having 8K capable hardware, DJI limited it to 4K recording. As of now, no major brand offers a true next-generation 8K traditional action camera, giving Insta360 the freedom to wait without losing its competitive edge.